Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I wanted to show you our Merry Makers box. This is 12 days of Stitchy Fun, and if you're a quilter, you're going to love this. So you can order this now, and it is going to ship in November, so you'll have plenty of time to open it for the Christmas holidays. Some of you have been asking what's in the box. Now, I can't tell you exactly what's in the box because it's a surprise, but every day you're going to get 12 individually wrapped gifts you can open one at a time for the 12 days leading up to Christmas. Another question that I got is everything Christmas related in the box? And the answer is no, not everything is Christmas related. There are some Christmas holiday related things in the box, but not everything. You'll also find general sewing themed things that you can use in your sewing room all year round. So you're going to find things like fabric, notions, gift items, mini kits. So I think you're really going to have fun with this. And one thing I wanted to point out, as far as the Christmas holiday component, if you love our little Christmas sewing machine design here on the box, there will be a couple of things in the box that feature that design. So if you like this design, you're really going to like the box. But like I said, not everything is Christmas related. So I hope you order the box. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're also going to have an opening day party on December 13th where we are going to open up the first day gift together and have a little sewing party. So I hope you'll join us.